Hi and welcome. In this video I'm going to be swapping out this damaged passenger side mirror from our 2018 Honda Pilot. It had got damaged by backing out of our garage, and the outside's not so bad, but it did damage the mirror as it fell out. So I'm going to replace it with this aftermarket which I purchased online. So let's get to it now. First step is you have to remove the door panel. In order to do that, we have to remove this little plastic cover using a small screwdriver. It just comes out like this. And then we have two screws to remove here. So both these screws are the same size. Next is a third screw just below the handle. There's nothing, no cover on it. This one's a bit longer than the other two, so we'll know that when we put it back. Next step is to pull in the bottom corner here. It should snap out, I hope. Just like that. And then we push it up. Just let it carefully hang there. Next step, we have to remove this plastic cover. Now for the mirror, we have 3 nuts that we have to remove. So first I'll disconnect the wire to the mirror. Just press on this little tab here and pull it out. Now using a 10mm socket wrench, I'm going to remove the 3 nuts holding the mirror. Loosen them all first. Need to retain these nuts, as the replacement mirror does not come with the nuts. Now we can carefully remove it. Next step is to install the new replacement mirror. Run the wire through the hole. Place the mirror, aligning the nuts, or the bolts. We can add the nuts. Seems like the bolts on this one is shorter than the other one. Now we'll tighten these, but you don't want to tighten them too much. Next we'll connect the wire. Seems Seems like this one's a lot longer than the other one. We'll have to make sure we don't pinch it, but before putting the door panel, just going to make sure the mirror works. In our case, we have the LX model, so we only have power mirror. We don't have heated or turn signal. So the mirror adjust is working, and as mentioned before, on the original one the wire was quite short, but on this one's quite long, so I'm going to have to make sure don't pinch it when I put the door panel back on. So I think I'll just put a little bit of duct tape just to hold it out of the way. Should be okay, something like that. Just to keep it out of the way. Hopefully that'll be good. Now we'll put things back together. We'll put this piece on first. Looks like there's really just a one clip that just holds into place there to line it up. That's the first piece. Now for the door panel, just lift it up into place. Looks good. Snap it into place at the bottom here. And next we have our 3 screws. Next, installing the 3 screws. I'll start with the longer one, just below the door handle. And then the other 2 up here, they're both the same size. And we can put this little cover back. And that's the complete install. Now that completes the install of this passenger side mirror on our 2018 Honda Pilot. It's my first time doing this, and as you can see, it's quite easy. I think most people can do it if they try. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.